Struggling to eat healthy with a hectic schedule? Discover the secret to effortless, delicious, and nutritious meals that save time and money. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to cook nutritious meals can be challenging. However, meal prepping is the secret to enjoying healthy and delicious food, even when your schedule is packed. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the entire meal prep process, from planning your weekly menu to mastering the art of prepping and staying motivated. Why meal prep is your secret weapon. Save time and money. By preparing your meals in advance, you can avoid last-minute takeout and reduce food waste. Boost your health, control your portions, choose nutritious ingredients, and meet your dietary goals effortlessly. Simplify your life, reduce stress and decision fatigue by having ready-to-eat meals at your fingertips. Planning your perfect meal prep. Weekly menu planning. Craft a satisfying menu that caters to your taste and dietary preferences. Consider including a variety of protein sources, whole grains, and fresh vegetables. Grocery shopping strategy. Create a well-organized grocery list to maximize efficiency and avoid unnecessary purchases. Consider your lifestyle. Choose easy swaps and adaptable recipes that fit your busy schedule and dietary needs. Mastering the art of prepping. Essential tools. Invest in must-have kitchen equipment such as a slow cooker, food processor, and quality storage containers. Batch cooking techniques. Save time by doubling recipes and using your oven to cook multiple items simultaneously. Meal prepping hacks. Use innovative storage solutions, portion meals correctly, and experiment with creative ways to enhance flavors. Delicious and healthy meal prep ideas. High-protein breakfasts. Power bowls, overnight oats, and protein smoothies to kickstart your day. Flavor-packed lunches. Try salad variations, grain bowls, and hearty wraps for satisfying midday meals. Easy dinners on the go. Enjoy quick and nutritious options like roasted vegetables, sheet pan meals, and protein-rich soups. Tips for success and staying motivated. Batch prepping for the week. Set aside a designated time, like Sunday afternoons, to prepare your meals. Storage and reheating. Use the best containers and reheating methods to maintain freshness and flavor. Embracing meal prep for a fulfilling lifestyle. Celebrate small victories and build consistency for long-term success. Conclusion. Meal prepping is a game changer for anyone looking to eat healthier, save time, and reduce stress. With the right strategy, tools, and mindset, you can transform your eating habits and achieve your fitness goals effortlessly. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the incredible benefits of a well-prepped kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this guide with friends and family who want to transform their eating habits and live a healthier life.